Bonjour. So, in this lesson, we are going to take a look at verbs and prepositions. As you often know, many verbs require a preposition, and this is true for English, this is true for French, this is true for many languages. Now, the question is often from the French learners, but how do we know if it requires de or a? De or a is always what you would call the big issue because there is no pattern, there is no logic, and sometimes, actually, some verbs they can accept both de and a. So this is a really hard question to answer. So what I'm gonna do today is simply introduce to you the verbs that require de, the one that require a, and of course I cannot. There's no rules. You just have to learn them. All I can do here is tell you the meaning and maybe give you a few examples. Okay? So let's just start. Les verbes courants, common verbs. Les verbes courants avec de. First of all, you have accepté de, to accept to do something. Okay? All these verbs here will use the verb. But verb is not correct. I think that we need to add something. It's verb infinitif. Okay? And then you can just use these structures. Exemple, accepter de, j'accepte de parler, j'accepte de dormir, j'accepte de manger, arrêter de, the same, j'arrête de parler, to stop doing something. Arrête de parler, stop talking, okay? Arrête de me regarder, stop looking at me. That's how you would say these things. Décider de, to decide to do something. Je décide d'acheter un nouveau téléphone. I decide to buy a new phone. Essayer de. Essaye de dormir. Try to sleep. Okay? Essayer de. To try to do something. Finir de. To finish doing something. Fini de manger. Finish eating. Finish your soup. Oublie de. Okay? Often I say that. Qui a oublié de faire ses devoirs? Tu as oublié de faire tes devoirs. To forget to do your homework. Refuser de. Refuser d'écouter, to refuse to listen. Regretter de, to regret doing something. D'accord? Rêver de, to dream about. Je rêve d'aller. I dream about going to France. Je rêve d'aller en France. S'arrêter de. Je m'arrête de. So this one is the same as arrêter de, but it just means I stop myself. You stop yourself, okay? So we would use a reflexive here. That's the only difference. Se dépêcher de, to hurry, to rush. Dépêchez-vous de manger. Hurry up eating, guys. Quick, finish it. Quick, finish quickly. So these are the verbs that you will often see with de. Now we can take a look at the verbs that we are going to use with a. Apprendre à. Apprendre à parler français. To learn how to speak French. Aider quelqu'un à. Aider quelqu'un à travailler, to help someone to work. Arriver à. Arriver à, that's a very interesting one. Arriver à has nothing to do with to arrive. Arriver à means to manage, to do something. So if I say, je n'arrive pas à dormir, I am actually saying, I cannot sleep. I cannot manage to sleep. Okay, it's hard for me to sleep. Je n'arrive pas à te voir. I cannot see you. Je n'arrive pas à t'entendre. I cannot hear you. Okay, so arriver means to manage, to do something. Chercher à. Chercher à, again, very interesting, doesn't mean to search. Chercher à means to try to do something. D'accord? Exemple, il cherche à t'impressionner. He is trying to impress you. Il cherche à te séduire. He is trying to seduce you. Commencer à, to start doing something. Continuer à, easy, to keep doing something. Hésiter à, to hesitate in doing something. J'hésite à lui dire. I hesitate to tell him. I don't know if I should tell him. Inviter quelqu'un à, no problem. Inviter à manger. Réussir à, to succeed. Se mettre à means to start, to commencer, ok? Donc, je me mets au sport, je me mets à faire du sport. I start doing some sport. I start doing some exercise. I hope I'm not going too fast. I hope I don't speak too fast either because This is, in my opinion, very easy. Now the second part is how to use an adjective with the. So this is something you should know as well. If you want to use an adjective and a noun with the, it will look like this. Je suis content de, I am happy to. Je suis heureux de, I am happy to. Je suis pressé de, I am very anxious to, I am in a hurry to. Okay? J'ai envie de, I need. J'ai peur de, I am scared, I am afraid. J'ai l'habitude de, I am used to. And again, all these things, you are going to use de, because here they are nouns and adjective. So when you use nouns and adjective in French, always use de. Keep in mind, il est difficile de. It is hard to do something. But there are some exceptions. And they are the following. Être prêt à, to be ready. Tu es prêt à manger? Are you ready to eat? Être habitué à, to be used to. Avoir du mal à, which means to have difficulties in doing something. J'ai du mal à comprendre cette question. I have a hard time understanding this question. And the last one, avoir tendance à, to have a tendency to. Okay, so this is it. I explained all of them, and it's up to you to learn them and memorize them. Merci. Au revoir.